welcome back to my channel, me, Vasu. Today is all about my Dollar Tree shopping haul. I think I have already mentioned you all in one of my video about Dollar Tree where every item is only $1. The main reason for my shopping at Dollar Tree is because I am getting a parcel from India and I need some containers to store the food items that I am getting from India. I almost know what I will be getting, so accordingly I have purchased some containers from Dollar Tree, and for sure all of you know about me that I cannot stop shopping just with the containers. So without any delay, let's see what I bought from Dollar Tree. I bought 4 boxes. One is a smaller size and these 3 are big size. And these are 2 more containers. I bought a pair of these boxes to store my makeup items. I stored all my eye makeup in one box and all the face makeup in the other box. And a pair of open baskets as well. Here I have completed my container boxes, and now let's see what are the other items that I have purchased. Wall hanging. Loved these wall hangings in the first look. I'm not sure where I would hang, but I would definitely hang them in a very wonderful place. I tried different places all over my home and finally decided to place them in the hall, and they have completely changed the look of this wall. A flower vase, a bunch of flowers. Are the stones. I bought 3 of these colored stones to fill my glass jar and keep near my desk. I kept all these colored decorative pebbles in my vase and then started decorating my vase with the flowers. And finally, this is how it is. I really liked that, bright color in my room, and I was trying different places where it can fit well. And the next one is a hand fan. When I'm using a setting spray, I'm using my hand to dry it. So from next time onwards, I will use my hand fan. These are some holders I bought. I'm planning to use this to decorate my table and also use this as a pen holder or something. So I'll do something, colorful near my desk. I used these holders to keep my stationery handy, and also the other one I used to keep my nutrition bars handy as well, so that whenever I feel hungry in mid of my work, I can just grab and eat immediately. This is a bun maker. Wanted to make a bun for my hair, but due to the long hair I am never able to do that. And let's see how I can bun my hair. Finally, after 2 to 3 times of trials, I got my bun, and I'll try to do a video on this. These 2 storage bags that I bought, these are also for $1. We'll see how best I can utilize these 2 as well. This is a smaller one and this is a bigger one. The same storage bags in Target were costing $4, and I thought this is the best deal I got. The next one is the chalkboard tags. I have seen a lot of videos where people were using these chalkboards to tag it to any of the items, and it also has this jute threads. Also bought a chalk writer to write on this. I decided how I have to utilize the open baskets that I have bought. I bought 2 of them, and then I thought I'll keep some of my daily use things in those, and I'm using my chalkboards and the pen, and also I'm utilizing my open baskets. And here I go from messy to organized, and I decided to take a couple of more open baskets. Next one is this book lighter. As soon as I saw this, I had no second thought and immediately took this. I have mentioned actually this to use it on books, but I have a different plan for this. I wanted to use this in my handbag as a light, and I've been searching for a couple of lights for my handbag, and they were very costly in Amazon. If you see here, it is costing $25 for a purse light, and I think I got something budget friendly. I think this would be the best option to use in my bag just for $1. If you see this bag now, it is very dark, but I wanted to use this light and search what I kept in my bag. It makes my life very easy, and I really like that. And I think this is one of the best tips I can give it to all of you, to use these book lamps in your handbag so that you will really love it. And this is a dusting mop, but I wanted to utilize this and keep some items that I love and take some nice wonderful pictures. And this is a small trial that I did on this. This is a silicone blender for flawless blending of liquid cosmetics. This is like a jelly and very smooth here. So I think if I have to mix some foundations or eye shades, I can use this, and on top of it I can blend, is what I'm thinking. I'm not sure if I would really use this or not, but okay, I'll give a try. This is a birthday gift box. This is just a cardboard, but they have made it so wonderful and it looks so colorful. So if we are planning to gift something on a birthday, we can use this book. This is a birthday tag. I have my friend's birthday, so I wanted to use it on that day for her. Also, she is getting married soon, so we are planning for a bachelorette party, and then I think I will be using it on that day. The next one is the shoe eraser. This is a sneaker cleaner. If you see, I mentioned the before and the after picture here, so I'll try to see how I can remove the stains on my shoes if I have any. The next one is a room freshener. I just bought it because it is from the brand Glade. This is the sponge holder. I wanted to keep my kitchen cleaning sponges into this, so I bought this. This is my Dollar Tree shopping. I hope all of you liked the items that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and if you think that you got some ideas after watching this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, me, Vasu. See you all in next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.